All right, here we go. RV Diagnostics giveaway. Number 6. There's 2 black tank flush kits. I think they're valued at $45 a piece. They're brand new, never been installed. Just joking there. No, they are brand new. So I'll be mailing them out to somebody. So let me know. Here we go. I'm going to show them to you. There's only 2 of them. So we got LK Tornado Tank Flush, $45 each. Jeff Tortoro. Yeah, there it is. That was a quick one. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, test not guess. Make sure you go to the YouTube channel and look and see what you win. I'm going to go through each one of these winners that are subscribed to my YouTube channel and notify them. All right, so it's going to take me a while. All right. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.